The other day when I took that ride out to the farmer's market, I picked up some corn, some fresh corn. And I said I was going to do something with that and I'd show you what I did. Well, today I have it here. What I did, I made some corn chips, raw corn chips, okay? Now, you can call these raw because they were dehydrated at 110 degrees for, it was about 10 hours. And real simple. What I did, I took 3 cups of corn. I took the fresh corn, sliced off the kernels. I got 3 cups. I just wanted to start small to see, you know, how this would turn out. So I got 3 cups of corn, put that in the blender. I take a good juicy lime. I had about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice. Put that in there. And then I bought that coconut also when I was out there at the market, and I put in a 1/4 cup of fresh coconut meat. So I threw that in the blender, blended that up really well, and then I just kind of spooned it out of the blender onto these paraffin sheets in this dehydrator. And man, you know, some of them got a little browner than they should have, but I think next time I'm going to try it at 105. And but man, they, you know, because, you know, corn chips are probably a weakness for me as far as, you know, corn chips that you buy in the store, they're loaded with salt and oil, 2 things that you do not want. Now, there is oil in this from the coconut meat, so there is some coconut oil, but it's the whole package. The water was there, now it's been dehydrated, but the fiber is there. But these things came out so well. Listen to this crunch. So sweet. Amazing. Great for guacamole, for salsa. One of these days, I'm going to make some pineapple salsa. Dip this in there for the pineapple salsa. You got a little guacamole. It's almost like you can make a meal out of it. But anyway, these things came out awesome. So give that a try. Fresh corn, even if you had to buy, you know, some high quality, non-GMO corn, organic, frozen, just de-thaw it. 3 cups, 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/4 cup of raw coconut meat. Blend that up, spoon it out into chips in your dehydrator for, you know, you're going to have to probably check out. I think dehydrators vary, so you got to keep an eye on them. And you might flip them as well. Flipping them is always a good idea. So like these took me, let's say 10 hours. So after 5 hours, I flip them. But I'll be doing this again, so I'll show you. But they came out great. And please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. To your health success. Staying raw with your own corn chips. Not bad. Not bad at all. Take care. They're good.